here I am, spending more money that I shouldn't be spending. Well, this is from Juvia's Place. As we all know, Juvia loves her from Juvia's Place. And I spent way too much money. But here we go. Let's open this up. Oh. Okay, in the bottom, we have the Fula by Juvia's Place, and then we have 2 styles of lashes. I ordered Cleopatra, and then I ordered Kush, which I think I'm gonna like these a lot. Then we have the little Fula palette. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was much bigger than it is, but I clearly did not read it all the way. Super cute, travel friendly, probably bomb as hell, just like the rest of their palettes. Then I got a new blusher. I have one of their older ones, but I keep seeing this blush all over TikTok. And I really just, I needed it. I would never ever wear this color, but I need it. And I'm going to wear it. And last but not least, the new coffee shop palette. If Juvia's Place would like add me to the PR list, that would be freaking dope, because I spend so much money on their products. But this palette, it's beautiful. I'm so excited to like use it. I love it. I wish I could have afforded the like entire collection, but I also don't need the entire collection. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful night.